empty car toy with you. Hello kids, today we're gonna open Lightning McQueen surprise bag. Let's go! It's a blue car. I wonder what's next, kids.
What else does the blue car do?
Open the doors.
Oh, good. So we can put a driver there, right?
Yes,
Okay, what's next?
it's a red car. Wait, the door is still open, sorry. I think it's tied up. There we go.
Maybe the blue car and the red car should have a race.
Oh yeah. And if some car go to the finish line, wins.
Yes.
I think they should have a race. Blue car and red car. When somebody go, when two cars go to the line, both of them win. If one car
Maybe
go
we
to
should start it.
Okay. If I say thumbs up, I put them right there so it goes.
Yes, yes.
1, 2, 3. Go!
The blue car win.
No, both of them win.
But I saw the car landed first.
Oh yeah, so blue car, you are the winner.
Yay. Maybe let's go to the next surprise. Let's see.
Okay. Wait, let it come back. Let's see what else is inside. Ooh, what is this? I found the one. Look, Lightning McQueen is still here. On the side.
I think that's a Lightning McQueen towel. A
Oh.
bib.
Oh, yeah. For my back.
Yes, for your back.
Yeah.
And put it on the side of your covering it.
Yeah, because look, where is the red car?
I don't know.
What else? Ooh, what is this? I like this.
Can you show it in the camera? Let me see. Oh, it's a whiteboard.
Yeah, with a pencil.
That's a marker.
Yeah. I like to open this. Let's see what else is inside. Ooh, what is this? I like this. This is where I can put all the things I have.
All the pencils.
Yes?
That's a pencil case.
Yeah, pencil case.
Wow.
And ooh, what is this? I like it. Wow, it's hot. Ooh, what is this?
Let me see.
This is gold.
Can I see it?
Yes. This
Turn
is
it around. No.
Haha, there we go.
Wow.
That was so cool, right?
It has a
After what?
That's a paste, a ruler,
Yes.
a red marker,
Yes.
a pencil, a sharpener, an eraser, and a notepad.
Yeah, that's what I like this one. What else is inside? This is so good.
That's a fan.
It's a fan. It's only work when something is on when it's hot.
Yes. You can use that when it's hot.
Oh, cool. What else? What is this?
Let me see. That's a wallet.
It's a wallet. Oh, cool. I like this one.
You can put money there.
Oh, yeah. Like the another one. What is this?
It's a yo-yo.
Oh, I like this.
You can open all that later.
When it's still morning.
Yes, but first you need to let the kids see it.
Let the kids see it all
Yes, what's next?
on my back.
Yes.
There's nothing.
Oh, really? Let me see. So it is.
Yes, because I took it. Because it's on the ground.
Okay.
Hello, kids. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later. Bye.
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 Open it properly.